Breaking news out of North Carolina. The campus of UNC Wilmington was thrust into lockdown on Thursday night after unconfirmed reports of a gunman sent shockwaves through the university community. The school issued an urgent emergency alert around 7:20 p.m. local time, instructing students, faculty, and staff to shelter in place as university police rushed to investigate the possible threat. The story unfolded dramatically on social media, with UNCW Alert trending as worried families and students clamored for updates. Local media described a tense atmosphere as campus authorities combed the area for any sign of danger. While the university police department quickly responded, no immediate confirmation of shots fired or injuries was available at the time, leaving many in an anxious limbo. This incident highlights growing concerns over campus safety that have gripped American universities in recent years. Even as officials work to improve security and communication, moments like these remind us how swiftly uncertainty can turn routine evenings into emergencies. For now, UNC Wilmington remains under investigation, and more updates are expected as police learn the facts. We'll continue monitoring the situation and bring you verified details as soon as they emerge. Stay tuned for reliable global news and analysis.